Something you don't get every day. Don't know if you can see this yet. But how do I take care of this? I have a cardinal who's spending time in my house. I don't know how to get him out except to open the door. It's okay, little birdie. Here, let me take care of this way. Shh. Here, look. Let me do this. Here. Shh. There you go. It's okay. Look. Go this way, honey. It's okay. You're going to hurt yourself. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's okay. How am I going to do this? Come on. It's okay. Come on. Shh. Ooh. He's just all kinds of upset. And I'm going to have to set this down and catch him. Stop.